Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to add testimonial section to Shopify Dawn theme. So if you're interested, let's get started. In order for you to add a testimonial section here, you need to basically add an app for it. So there are going to be a lot of apps to choose from. So at the bottom left, you want to go in access settings and you want to go to apps and sales channel and click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now from here, since we are looking for testimonials or to add a way for us to add testimonials, you want to go to search apps here and just type in testimonials. Just press enter. Now you should be able to see a lot of apps that you could choose here, but in this case, we want to go ahead and choose one that is appropriate for us. Now I would recommend you to basically do your own research here, which app is going to be best for you. But as an example, maybe I want to use this one. Click on install. Now, in here, what we need to do is we just need to confirm a few things like the installation. So it will ask you if you really want to install this app. Go ahead and click on install. And once the app is installed here, you should be able to start setting it up. Now, setting up your app here or your testimonial section is fairly easy. It's going to guide you through the whole process here. So what we need to do here is you could go ahead and basically click on content at the left side here, and this will actually allow you to see all the testimonials that you currently have on your account. Now you also have the collect testimonials. If you want to start collecting that, you can go ahead and download the QR code here, start sharing that, and also you can set your own logo here for your testimonials or just paste your logo URL here. Also have the plans here, which allows you to choose which in this case how you want to set up in this case the features that you want to include to your plan here. So obviously we are using the free plan here, which allows one widget and 4 testimonials. Also have the feature requests here, so if you want to request something from the app, so if you want to add that. But yeah, so in this case, what you need to do next here is we need to add the section that will contain our testimonials. So you want to go to online store, go to themes, and click on customize. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and click on the add section. You want to go to apps, and from here choose the appropriate one here. So we have testimonial slider here for as a list, rotator, or slider. So go ahead and choose the one that you want. So for example, I want to add cards. And that should add a section here for our testimonial. But obviously, since we don't have content much on our account yet here for testimonials, it might not appear in here. But yeah, typically speaking, you just need to collect testimonials and that should appear in here. Just make sure to click on save at the top right here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.